guys, welcome back to my channel. So Rocio and I are taking a spontaneous trip to Chicago. We are actually leaving on Wednesday, which is 2 days from now at midnight. So I wanted to film a little Chicago pack with me. We're actually only going for 4 days, so I don't need to pack too much. So I picked out some jackets, some long sleeves, short sleeves, pants. I'm basically just going to be layering because it's going to be a little cold there. It's supposed to be in like the 50s to 60s, I think, which I think is cold. So I'm definitely going to be layering. So I'm going to show you guys the pieces that I'm bringing with me. Pants, I am bringing a basic pair of denim skinny jeans. This is kind of like a darker wash. I really like dark wash jeans, and I got these from Forever 21 I think like 2 or 3 years ago. My legs are really short, so I always have to cuff my jeans. I'm also bringing a pair of high-waisted skinny jeans. So this is kind of a dark wash as well. It's a little bit more of a blue color than my other skinny jeans, and like I said, these are high-waisted. And I'm also bringing a fun pair of leggings that I bought from Forever 21 a few years ago. So these are just like a red gingham pattern, I think, but I think that they're really edgy and fun. So for jackets, I'm bringing 3 different jackets. I think that my sister and I are probably gonna wear the jackets on the plane. So these jackets are huge and they take up a lot of room. They're pretty heavy duty because it is gonna be really cold there, so I wanted to bring some winter coats. So this one, I literally had this jacket since I was like in middle school. I think I ordered it from Forever 21 like so long ago. I was either in like 8th grade or a freshman, and I've kept it all these years because I think that it's just like so classic and it's really preppy, and I really like that look, especially for cities. The other trench coat that I'm bringing is a beige trench coat from Old Navy. I actually got this one this winter, and I was a little bit disappointed with it because it started pilling like super quickly, but it still is really cute. So like I said, my sister and I are gonna wear these on the airplane so that they don't take up a lot of room in our bags. And then the last jacket that I'm gonna bring is a black bomber jacket. I got this from Forever 21. So I actually wore this jacket in one of my Instagram posts recently. I think this is super cute, and it's a little bit edgier too. It's got like the zipper hardware and stuff like that, and it's got faux fur lining on the inside, which makes it really warm and cozy. So I'm gonna wear this as well. So for tops, I'm bringing a few different crop tops. I figured that I could layer these with my high-waisted skinny jeans and my jacket on top. So this one is from Zara. So it's got like a cute Peter Pan collar, it's cropped, it's got like buttons up the front, cuffed sleeves. So it's super cute. I think this would look so cute with my little black newsboy cap that I love wearing so much. Another crop top that I'm bringing is this burgundy, violet-y colored crop top. Has a Peter Pan collar, and then it has a little tie at the back, which I think is a really cute detail. So I got this from Aspen's shop back when it was Shop AOF. So I've had it for a little while, and I've actually like never been able to wear this because it's so cropped. I didn't realize how cropped it was when I bought it, and I don't like to show a lot of my stomach, so I haven't been able to wear it very often, but I'm hoping that I can wear it with my high-waisted skinny jeans and just jackets over it and have a layered look. I'm also bringing a mock neck jumpsuit thing. What do they call these? It's like the one piece where you button it up. I forget what they're called, but I really like this top because I like the mock neck. I think it's kind of like a classier, dressier look, and it's got cute stripes on it, which is just like basic and goes with everything. So I might wear this with some skinny jeans, and what jacket would look cute with that? Maybe like the camel trench coat. So I've got another one of these one-piece things where it buttons at the bottom. And this one has a mock neck as well. It's a beige color, so it goes with everything. Got this one at Forever 21 too. So I'm bringing another long sleeve. This one's just a really basic long sleeve with like the lettuce hemmed bottom, and it's got like the higher collar on it. I actually showed you guys this in my Forever 21 haul, so if you haven't seen that, I will link that up above somewhere. Okay, so for shoes, I'm bringing my good old black ankle boots that I've had for like 2 or 3 years from Forever 21. These are so cute, and I love that they have like the chunkier heel on them because I am not about skinny heels. I cannot walk on high heels unless they have like a chunky platform on them. So I love these. They are pretty comfortable, but to be honest, I do get a little bit tired of walking in these for like long periods of time. So I don't know how much I'll wear these, we'll see. So when I'm traveling, I love to wear athletic shoes because I feel so much more comfortable. I can walk like long distances because whenever I travel, I am walking, hopping on subways, going everywhere because I want to see as much as possible when I'm visiting because I never know if I'll ever get to go back again. So I do a lot of walking. So I'm bringing these Nikes that'll keep me comfortable. Also bringing my Adidas. I love these. I think they look super cute actually with the camel trench coat and just about anything actually because they're really basic and they kind of give your outfits like that edgier athleisure look. My Adidas are actually one of the most comfortable shoes I own. I wore these like all over Europe, so definitely bringing these for traveling. So for accessories, I'm bringing my black messenger hat. I love this hat. I've been wearing it so much. I think it's just like so fun and adds a lot to your outfit. So I'm gonna bring my black messenger hat. I'm also bringing my black beret, which I've also been obsessed with lately. I'm bringing 3 different scarves. I'm gonna bring my basic black scarf that I actually have had. Actually, this was my mom's scarf. So this is a super old scarf that we've had forever. And then I'm bringing a blanket scarf. This one is just white with black and gray stripes. I got this from Old Navy a few winters ago. So I'm also bringing this more fun, colorful scarf. I got this one for Christmas. I think my sister got it at like Forever 21 or Aeropostale or something like that. So it's basically like a plaid blanket scarf with violet, teal, and blue colors. So this is kind of a fun scarf. I think that it's like a really colorful accent accessory piece for outfits. So I'll see if I wear this in some of my outfits. So I'm also gonna bring this little crossbody bag that my sister got me for Christmas. I've been wearing this basically ever since. It's a cute little black crossbody bag with a gold chain and a really cute gold buckle. So this looks really cute with my trench coats and that kind of style. So I'm going to quickly cover what I'm bringing for toiletries. This is when my subscription box samples come in handy because they're the perfect travel size. So I'm bringing some rose hair and body oil from Hawaii Hair Care. I'm also bringing the Algenist Recharging Night Pressed Serum, a small travel-sized Crest toothpaste, some Chlorane Eye Makeup Remover, bringing some floss, some Oribe Gold Lust Dry Shampoo, and then I have these perfect little packet-sized shampoo and conditioner from Bumble and Bumble. I'm pretty sure that the hotels usually have shampoo and conditioner, but they don't always do very well for my hair, so I figured I'd give these a try. Okay guys, so that's everything I'm bringing. Of course, I'm packing underwear and socks as well, but I figured that you guys didn't need to see those. So I hope that you guys enjoyed this Pack With Me video. Definitely stay tuned for my Chicago travel diary, which I will be sharing with you guys probably later next week. We're leaving Wednesday at midnight and then we'll be getting back Monday at around 2 p.m. So we'll have 4 whole days there. So I'm super excited. We've already kind of mapped out what we want to do in Chicago. So I think it's going to be such a fun trip, and I love traveling with my sister because we both love to go around and see all of the sites, and we have a lot of fun traveling together. So I think it's going to be a great trip. So I hope that you guys enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for watching. Thank you so much for coming back to my channel. Definitely give this video a thumbs up if you guys liked it, and if you're not subscribed already, be sure to hit the subscribe button. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye!